we've arrived. Debbie's just gone out there now just to check us in, get us all checked in, get us some barrier access. The pub, the campsite's just at the back of the pub. Hope you can hear me there for all the noise. Here we go, we'll show you around. Look at this, guys. Little shed you can sit in there. A little press bell for when you want some attention. And just over there, on top of that van, if you can see over there, that's where the campsite is. I'll be honest with you, what a great site so far. Haven't tried the pub food yet, we've just been in and had a drink. There we go, I'll show you all the facilities as well. I don't know what this bit is, but we'll have a little look. See what's round here. It's like a bit of area where you could probably get away with exercising the dogs maybe. If you've got dogs with you, just got to be careful. There is the main road there. Here's the happy campers. There is a good grass patch around there.
Yep. We'll see you back at the motorhome in a minute.
Right. So here we go, show you some of the pictures. And all the pictures kind of like, what would you call that? Private like kind of pictures, aren't they? We've all got hedges at the side.
Premier pictures, right? They've got water and everything with them. We're in the deluxe without water.
Yeah.
Because we didn't want to be too near the road.
That's right. So the Premier pictures, the road is just outside of the hedge, but you can see the Premier pictures, they've got water. Is that waste as well? These pictures are quite near the roadside, so you do get a bit of road noise from it. So if you're looking to stay here and you might not want that road noise, if it doesn't bother you, get a premium pitch. Now down this side, this is where we're staying. This is the non-premium pitches. And the difference between the pitches is the fact we get electric, but we don't get the water and we don't get the waste. This is our pitch there. There's our van, and then we've got this good sized grass area at the side. Pitch number 23. And then we've got the electric hookup at the end. And that's the facilities you get on the non-premium pitches. Now then, we'll cut through the back of this one because Bill's on the pitch next door to us. Of course, obviously he's got exactly the same. And we've got our facilities. So, chemical toilet and disposal in the corner, recycling, more bins, general waste, outdoor washing, ladies showers, utility room. Inside the utility room, great area for sinks for washing. And then we've also got washing machines and tumble dryers, and they are coin based. Quick view around the place. There we go. We're kind of in the valley. So we struggle for TV reception if you want to really watch TV. We're only here for the one night, and the reason for that is the next site we're going to couldn't squeeze us in for another night. So we were short a night between sites. So halfway along our travels we found this place. We're going to see something that we have to do on every campsite we get here, and it's kind of driving me mad at the minute. And I'll tell you what, when I get some money together, I'm going to buy him something that's going to cure this problem. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Watch this space. I'm wondering what I'm doing at the back of the van and why you're seeing the back of the van. This might give you a bit of a clue.
He's broke it.
Where are we up to now?
That's it.
How many channels?
59.
59. Have you got one on?
Not yet.
Hang on. 58. A 1919 radio.
Right, select one of the channels and turn it on so it's on.
No signal.
This is what we do. This is what we have to do every time. Right, try turning it sideways onto the ladder. Anything? No, nothing. This is literally what we have to do every time we come to a pitch.
What has he done here?
Anything? Well, we've got a few squares. We've got a picture with a few squares in it.
Stop changing the channel. Sorry.
Do it slower.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
What'll happen is, right, we'll put it back in the cupboard. Get a perfect picture. Perfect. Decorating brush and the £25 aerial doesn't seem to be doing it today.
No.
Mr. Bean can stand there and hold the fucking.
Have you got a picture yet?
No.
Keep your eye on that bloody screen.
What about putting it back in the cupboard? It always works in there. It's not good, there's nothing there. Still nothing. What are you going up the ladder again for? Jesus Christ.
Keep an eye on that bloody screen. How have we got now?
None.
Don't take your eye off that screen.
What about plan B? Put it back in the cupboard and try plan B. Giggle at the cider. Speciality for Mark.
That is peri peri chicken. What have you got, Bill?
Asian curry.
Asian curry. Look at that. Yeah, don't miss that. Oh, look at that. It's the risotto.
Yes, it's the green, summer green risotto.
Nice. Good morning, this is it. This is time for us to move on from the Dartmoor Halfway Inn. So we're now heading up to the Caravan and Camping Club site down in Dartmouth. So it's not a big drive, it's about half an hour. We're going to stop for some groceries on the way and leave the camera rolling so we can see the exit from the Dartmoor Halfway Inn. Guys, a few bikes coming past. It's like being back at home with the TT. There's a serious amount of bikes out in this ride out as a thanks to the NHS